So I'm Jeff Liba. I'm the president and founder of Snowball Effect. And when Snowball Effect partnered up with Mount Southington, we had a brainstorming session where we were talking about sustainability and how we could inspire young stewards of the mountain while we were introducing them to snowboarding.
One of the biggest concerns in the ski industry nowadays is the climate change. And we're trying to create mountain stewards out of kids in the local area. We're doing this through introducing this sustainability within the school system. And then here on the mountain, we've created a little Snowball Park where kids come to learn to ride, but they're also learning sustainable initiatives such as recycling to help open kids' eyes to how they can help fight climate change alongside of us.
There's a reason they call the kitchen the heart of the house. It's where everything begins. We took the time to really educate our staff about where things are going and why we're joining these sustainability initiatives to help keep our mountain here and help give back to the community. Fire station, police station, schools, the library, these really important social and public buildings. Like, it's awesome to be able to generate the electricity for that.
These are the food waste bins that Blue Earth Compost gives us to divert our food scraps. They also make really fun tools for weaving in how we can share sport with sustainability. Blue Earth Compost rolls up their truck, backs it up, picks up our food waste, it immediately gets weighed, and 90% of those food scraps get turned into energy. The other 10% get turned into compost and soil, and we're just getting started.
When food scraps are collected from Mount Southington, they're brought here to our facility. We operate what is called an anaerobic digester. So if 10 pounds of food waste goes into our anaerobic digester, 9 pounds is turned into methane gas, and then the remaining material left over is turned into a natural compost blend. So effectively, we're recycling 100% of the food scraps that are coming from Mount Southington, turning those into energy and into compost.
Our role in sustainability is connecting people who are throwing away food with compost facilities. The containers that we provide to Mount Southington are clearly marked that they are for food scraps. We see ourselves as impact makers through the food scraps that we're able to divert towards composting, but we also really see ourselves as change makers. Any opportunity to make this kind of messaging known, at the same time being able to do it in a fun way by connecting it to winter sports, it's going to be super useful.
Snowboarding connects with sustainability, the main way being that it's important to help try to combat climate change.
We're here at Worcester Middle School in Stratford, Connecticut. The kids today had to weave through a number of different skill challenges while having to figure out, is this item compostable? Is this item recyclable? So it's really fun to get them helping us reinforce the importance of recycling, the importance of composting, and the importance of being a steward of not only the mountain, but the environment.
It's important for them to recognize why we want to be sustainable, what the impact of everyday life and the things that they do play on the earth, and how to have young people be stewards of not only the mountain, but of the planet.
Snowball, our mascot, is going to be all over the place. We debuted Snowball at the Bristol Blues event and the kids loved it. And once again, fun, family, community, and enables Mount Southington to bring the mountain to the people.
We have recently done an activation at Muzzy Field in Bristol with the Bristol Blues. It was just a chance for us to get the Snowball Park out into the public and get some new kids who are interested in baseball, also potentially interested in snowboarding. And it doesn't necessarily just have to be baseball. We also can pop it up for volleyball or golf or any number of sports. Our partnership with Snowball Effect has really gotten our little ski hill in front of the national audience. Not only were we nominated for the Community and Partnerships Award, but we won it. We work really hard here at Mount Southington, so to be recognized on a national stage meant everything. And I know Jay, the GM and president, would definitely agree with me.
I took over as general manager in 2014. At that time, Mount Southington shut down throughout the spring, summer, and fall, and then just reopened for winter sport. Quickly realizing that there was so much potential in the property, about 100 acres that we have here, to do other things. So we found unique partnerships with fast summer camps. We started hosting an annual brew bash, and then we partnered up with WACA adult volleyball and cornhole leagues to create something really special, and it's so impactful with the community relationships that we've had. We've gotten into multiple elementary schools to do an intro to snowboarding experience, which is just going to bring more people to the mountain. I can't say enough good things about the Snowball Effect.
What's really cool about the Snowball Park is it's multi-season, multi-sport. We can bring it anywhere. We're here today at Mount Southington. We popped up our Snowball Park in the volleyball fashion. One of the things I love to do is try to help give kids opportunities to learn faster. And one of the things we use today is called the Learn to Spike tool. Traditional way of teaching volleyball is to teach them how to pass, teach them how to set, then teach them how to spike. If you really want to get them stoked on volleyball, teach them how to spike right away. So we have this tool that basically enables me to put the ball inside the tool. I can hold it up, and then the kids don't have to jump, the ball's not moving, so we get them to do that first. Then we raise it up a little bit and add the jump to the spike, and then the next progression is taking the Learn to Spike tool away and tossing the ball up. That then leads us into showing the kids how to pass, showing them how to set so they can then spike. Just a little bit of reversal in what we're teaching enables faster fun, and that's what we're all about here. We diverted 3,900 pounds. We introduced hundreds of kids to snowboarding and volleyball throughout this community.